Hi, my name is Chase. And they call me the Pat Man. I am very passionate about getting men into conversations around periods. I love to keep myself browsing and surfing about things that are very important around my community and how I can join to be part of those innovators providing solutions to issues around my community. I've been totally involved in issues around rape, genital mutilation, and now currently issues around menstruations and getting men involved. Yes, it feels awkward, especially when we're just newly starting. I remember when I go for all of this female powered events and I happen to be one of the only men in the room, and they're like, "Oh, have you missed your way?" Some men who would not just see this female issue. So it's interesting for me. It exposed me more to be able to take on this conversation seriously. If it was just the fish in the market, it would have even been better. We've had people use strange words like, are people dying from it? Is it a strange conversation that even men should join? But I see it as a gender war. I see a case of whereby when I went online when we were just starting our Batman Africa Best then in Nigeria, it was a case of people coming online and saying, okay, only if men were on their period, maybe parts will be raining down from the skies. I'd rather get pregnant. Here in the US, you hear to tampon is taxed, Viagra is not taxed. So it's becoming a war between men and women. So you come on the platform, which is startbank.com. You aggregate to say, okay, these are the period boxes you want. So we give you an alternative of options to say, oh, you want to pick a tampon, you want chocolate, you want tea bag, you want wipes in your box, and we ship it directly to your houses. And you can also join on the platform to get access to information. So we have professional experts on standby to provide you those information. And you can go through our videos, our podcast on the site, and also a downloadable booklet where we call the menstrual handbook, the period passport, and you have access of those information at that time.
Hi, my name is Tosinoni, and I am the Chief Technological Officer for PadBank. Okay, so primarily the goal of the platform is to end period poverty, which is primarily what we're working towards. But in our mission to try and solve that problem, we discovered there's a whole lot of gap in the industry, especially around conversation that leads towards people talking around periods, what to do. People are very, very ignorant. And even amongst ladies, it's not a topic ladies actually want to talk or actually discuss amongst themselves, except there's something really wrong that they actually get to go meet with the gynecologist. So it's all Google. So primarily our goal is on the platform is to be what we call the new period genie, which is that genie you go on to, you click on it, you pretty much can access all the information you require about periods. Yes, technology is actually making it a lot easier because primarily, unfortunately, people find it a lot difficult to talk when it comes down to like one-on-one scenarios. For instance, we're having this conversation virtually. You're in a different part of the world, I'm in a different part of the world, yet we're able to have this conversation thanks to technology. So primarily technology would help us connect these dads everywhere in the world pretty much to come on board on this platform and be able to talk about it. And as I said, technology also gives us the leverage of anonymity. So yes, I'm a single dad. I want to talk about this, but I want to be secluded. I don't want to put my face out there. I can still engage in this conversation, talk about it, share my thoughts, get involved without actually putting my face right there. And that actually helps to bridge the gap, all thanks to technology.
Hi, my name is Roxanne, and this is my father, Ivor. So we have this product called Sanicle. This is a product for teenagers that their father would buy for them. And we thought that it would be a good time for me to introduce my dad.
So nice of you, dear.
Thank you. And what do you think about the products, like what we have going on here?
I think it's a nice idea.
Yeah?
It's excellent.
Yeah.
Good for the young girls and things. It's nice.
It's something that we want fathers to be able to have that conversation with their daughters about, and it's a nice starting point for that bond to occur. So like when I was growing up, I wish I did have something like this that my dad could go get me. Would you have bought something like this when I was younger?
I would.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this period kit box from Sanicle. So it's my first time opening it, and I'd like to see what's inside. So we got some tissues with lotion. And we got some organic tea. Some comfortable socks. We got some different kinds of chocolate. There's dark chocolate and milk chocolate in here. And a toothbrush. This is the bag. I'm assuming that you can put this stuff inside when you're trying to travel. It's easy to like put it in a bigger bag, so you don't have to carry all this stuff around. So these are pads, organic cotton pads. We got some flushable wipes. Hand sanitizer and liners. It's good to use. A lot of this stuff in here is useful, I think so. I didn't think there'd be that many things in here, but it's a lot of stuff. I really like the chocolate in the box because that's something that I eat a lot when I'm on my period. I think it's really good to eat. The tea, I don't know, I never drink tea while I'm on my period, so I don't know if that helps or not, but I'll try that for sure. It's in here. Tissues, that's useful, and the socks. The bag, I think, is the most useful thing in here because you can put all this, well, not all of it, but a lot of the stuff in here and put it in a bigger bag. So that's good. Yeah, I definitely would recommend Sanicle. It has a lot of useful things in here. I like the box a lot.